Hello and welcome to Artax Food channel. Chicken wings time. So we have these beautiful chicken wings. We're going to marinate it today. Wing dipping sauce, we have here half a lemon juice going right here, honey going there, Sriracha sauce going here, and little bit of the butter, and then we just leave this next to the fire so butter will be melted right here. And here, happy people, we have Romain leaves for salad. Just cut it like roughly. Goes here. And then we have feta cheese. Again, cut it roughly. Goes right here, and then here my mom made this. We have garlic, we have red bell pepper, and take all this. Goes inside of the pot right here. Julienne the pepper, it's marinated, smells gorgeous. By the way guys, if you want a recipe for this, just leave us in the comments so we can show you the video how to make it. goes inside. And actually inside it's like you can put some garlic here too. And this juice inside, it's unbelievable for salad. Just goes on top. And then we're gonna mix it as soon as barbecue is ready. So guys, before you start skewering that the chicken wings, just everybody has his own size of the barbecue, so you just measure it. I did right here. So what is the size? So make sure you don't over skewer it. And then right here, this goes inside. Just skewer it like this, very easy. How you skewer it. As soon as I start cooking, my skewer wants to enjoy my cooking too. So, and Mickey and Gina, I have two beautiful dogs, are barking on a skewer. Just like this. So here, I'll show you one more time. It's been marinated for 2 hours for now. It's fully marinated. Smells lemony. All marinated ingredients we have inside. You can already smell it. Okay guys, going in, fire is ready. So this is how you do it. Just correct it a little bit. Make sure. Has a space between wings. It's good fire actually. Yeah guys, barbecue chicken wings looking very good. It's ready. So here I skewer them, unskewer them. happy people, our barbecue chicken wings are ready. So here, so I'm gonna just put a little bit salad. As you see, we added additional olives here, black olives, and looks and sound beautiful. And then I'm gonna take this piece. This I like it. And wings. And then this sauce, as you see, we make it. It contains butter, sriracha, and lemon juice. It goes on top. Okay, let's go for it. Here, it's so juicy. Oh, it smells beautiful. Guys, I'm laughing. It's so good. My hands are shaking. I want more. I mean, unbelievable. Very easy to make. One more. You have all these lemonish flavors inside, lemongrass dominating here, and unbelievable, guys, unbelievable. This bone flake. One more time. If this is happening, that means it's cooked correctly. Here, cheers, guys. Let me try the salad. So a little bit olive, a little bit it's gonna be hard to drop it. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, it smells beautiful too. Right. By the way, very good combination. As my mom make this, it's very good. Match it with the Romain leaf. Guys, if you like my video, subscribe, show me your thumbs up, and push that button, belly button, so next my video will be available for you. And what can I say? I love you, happy people. Let's be together. Thank you for watching.